Hello everyone. Let's talk about the KX-TGFA30S expansion cordless handset. If you already own the KX-TGF340S base unit or other compatible Panasonic phone systems, this handset is designed to seamlessly integrate and expand your communication capabilities. This is a cordless telephone, so mobility is key. You're not tethered to a base station while you're on a call. The power source is battery-powered, which is standard for cordless phones, and it uses a single keypad dialer type. The answering system is digital, which is pretty common these days. Digital answering systems offer clear recording and playback, plus they are generally more reliable than older tape-based systems. Compatibility is crucial. The KX-TGFA30S is specifically designed to work with the KX-TGF340S base unit and compatible accessories. Make sure you check the compatibility list before purchasing to ensure it will work with your existing phone system. In short, the KX-TGFA30S expansion handset offers a practical and convenient way to extend the functionality of your compatible Panasonic phone system. Its cordless design, digital answering system, and ease of integration make it a worthwhile addition for those needing extra handsets.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.